I rise here to put before you a debate on an act to establish, that is to provide legal framework for the Nigerian Police College of Information Technology, which is already cited in Abeokuta. It's already established, but we are trying to put oxygen legal framework for its consideration and existence. I so move, Mr. Speaker.
So just put the question. Those in support, please say aye. Aye. Those against, please say nay. Ayes have it. Yes, long title, please.
Honorable Speaker, honorable members, College of Information Technology, Abeokuta, to provide academic and professional training in information technology and for related matters. Second reading.